What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. This is Billy Dan. Now, looking at the crypto markets today, we can see Bitcoin's up 1.9%. We can see Ethereum's up 2.5%. BNB up 1.5%. Solana up 6%. XRP up 1.4%. XRP, I need to make a video on XRP. And Dogecoin up 1.4%. Dogecoin being the top dog of all the altcoins at the moment, and that's what we're here for, the top 5 altcoins. So let's get into this one. Now, sitting at number 5, I've got Pepe. Pepe is at number 5 because this is probably the one you'll make the least money on. So that's what I'm ranking it to. I'm ranking it from 5 to 1, 1 being the one that you can make the most money on. So make sure you stay tuned for number 1 that's coming up. But I still think Pepe can still do a lot from where it is right now. It's just where it is right now is a mad place to be buying. And if you're buying up into these peaks, up into these pumps, then you need to rethink everything. But if you're already in Pepe, then that's fantastic. I had Pepe on my radar back in beginning of the year, actually, January, Feb. I didn't manage to grab any up. That's probably why I've got it in 5th place as well. Bit sour. You can see where price was sitting when I was trying to grab it up around. I don't even know what price that is, but you can see from there to here would have been some crazy gains. But the best thing for us to do, let's look at it on the charts. Now this is Pepe, okay? Now we can see this is the area where I had it on my radar, and since then it has done around 1700%. Not too bad, okay? Not too bad. I probably could have got back in here. But I wasn't paying attention to Pepe after I missed this initial pump anyway, so of 600%. But at the same time, I was telling people about Pepe, and still could be a good buy. And if you did get in Pepe down at these lower prices, then you would be in profits right now, as Pepe is about 150% up from April, mid-April, and now we're coming into the end of May. So do I think Pepe is done here? No, it's just I'm not going to buy into this pump, and I wouldn't suggest anyone to buy into this pump, and I wouldn't suggest anyone buying anything I'm even talking about today. That's up to you. I'm just giving you some information on what I'm looking at on the charts and what I can see happening in the crypto market. This is not financial advice, okay? Now let me just quickly show you something, all right? Now we can see that Pepe is topping out, and yeah, Pepe could just collapse and go to zero tomorrow. It can happen. That's part of the game. But what I want to show you is what also could happen next, okay? Now let's go quickly look at the top dog of the meme coins, and that's Doge. And this is Doge back in 2019 when Doge first started out. We can see Doge came out onto the markets, and what did it do? It consolidated, just ranging up and down, just chilling out, and then we saw an initial pump. After the initial pump, we had a nice pullback, and after that pullback, we see another initial pump, okay? Now this is Doge. Now, if we go back to Pepe, let's see what we got going on. A similar situation. Pepe was released onto the market. Then we see Pepe consolidate, ranging. We got an initial pump, and then we had a pullback. After that pullback, we had another pump. Okay, so the same sort of price action as we go back to Doge. This is Dogecoin. Same sort of price action. Back to Pepe. You see what I'm saying? We're going sideways. We pump, we come back down, and then we pump again. So this is Pepe, okay? And we can see Pepe is topping out right around here. Now, when we look at Doge, the same price action we see on Pepe, where Pepe was topping out right around here. Let me start zooming out and show you what Dogecoin did after. And yes, we can see Dogecoin continued to pump to the upside, and not only it continued to pump to the upside, we got another pullback and it went again. And what did we see? We can see Dogecoin absolutely going to the moon. Now that little area that we was talking about is completely gone. That will just look like it's flat. We don't even know what's going on there, but we know that was where the initial pump was, and if we was in from somewhere down there, that would have been a 21,000% return. Madness. So when I look at Pepe, anything's possible with Pepe, because we can see Pepe is just starting out, and it looks like we're just going into a bull run. So can this do something similar to Dogecoin? Now let's just quickly look at Pepe, where Pepe is ranked on the cryptocurrency markets, and we can see Pepe is ranked at number 21. It's done 129% in the last 7 days. Now you can see Pepe has took out Polygon, Litecoin, Fetch AI, ICP, Internet Computer. All right, so these are massive projects that some have been around for a while, some are quite new, and some are trending as well. But Pepe has took these projects out is actually on the back of the heels of Uniswap and Near and Bitcoin Cash. All right, so I expect Pepe to keep running up this list and start chasing down Shiba Inu. Minimum Pepe's catching Shiba Inu. This is just my thoughts on the market, so don't take this as financial advice. But Pepe is gonna catch Shiba Inu, and it might get on the heels of Doge. All right, so we might see Pepe trying to battle to get in the top 10, but top 15, top 13, taking out Shiba Inu. There's a high possibility Pepe does that. So I can see Pepe doing at least a 2, 3, maybe 4x from here, and it could do a lot more, as we saw what Dogecoin done after its release. So if you're in Pepe, then that's great. You're in a great position. If you're not in, then you've missed it. Oh well, you have to find something else. It's too late. That's just how it goes. So let's move on to the next meme coin. So sitting at number 4, we have Bonk. Bonk, Bonk. Now, Bonk is also a new meme coin on the block, only come out in Jan 2023. We see it's had a nice push to the upside already, but Bonk sitting at number 4. And I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to do an individual video for each of these altcoins in the top 5, so we can deep dive into each individual project, even though they're just meme coins and they don't do nothing at all. So we'll just keep this information basic, but we can see that Bonk has been added to 120,000 portfolios. So you can see Bonk is on a lot of people's radar at the moment. Bonk, I could see Bonk possibly doing a 10x, 5x. Yeah, I'll say between 5 and 10x. So you could probably times 10 your money on Bonk in this up and coming bull run. But do you want to be buying it at these highs? We're going to look into where we possibly could get a good buy position on Bonk, or is it a time to buy a Bonk? We'll have to look at the charts, and we're going to do that in the up and coming video that we'll do about Bonk. Now on to meme coin number 3. Now this meme coin is called Book of Meme. Book of Meme. Now Book of Meme is looking great. Forget the name, forget the project, do not get attached and get rid of your emotions when you start approaching the market. Now, Book of Meme, we can see the price action has been, flatline, and it's building up. We can see that the buyers and the sellers, they're creating a lot of friction. And we can see that a lot of the other altcoins either at all-time high or they're breaking all-time highs. And these are not best places for us to be buying. But Book of Meme hasn't even took off yet. So this could be a great buy. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. We're just looking at meme coins, and I'm just showing you what I'm looking at and what I'm thinking about these damn markets. Okay, thing is with Book of Meme that not a lot of people's got it on its radar. Only 37,000, so it's going to take a bit more for it to actually go. But price wise, it looks great. I think Book of Meme could 10 to 20x. So you could 10 times, 20 times your money on Book of Meme, possibly if we see it move correctly in its up and coming bull run. But we will dive deep into the Book of Meme and the price action and where the best possible buys could be in the up and coming video for the Book of Meme. So now number 2 on the list is Kitten Hamia. However you want to say it, yeah, Kitten, whatever. It's called Kai, Khai. All right, now let's look at the price action. We can see the price action hasn't done much either. I found out about this coin when it's sitting around 50 cent. I just missed some buying some. It did pump all the way up to 175, and then we see it come back down to 50 cent again just the other day, and I missed it again, and now it's back at $1. All right, so I'm still looking to possibly try to get some entries on this. I could see Kitten Hamia. I could see it doing maybe 10x, maybe 100x, maybe all right, we'll say for Kitten, we'll say for the Kai, we'll say between 10 and 50x, I think we could see this coin do. So we could see this coin go to maybe $10. I'll say between $10 and $50. I'm leaving the spectrum broad because we're going to do a separate video on this Kai coin. We'll be looking at this in detail, but it is the Kai coin at number 2, and ranked in at number 1 is Success Kid. Skid. If you're in my private circles, then you would know I've spoke about this recently, and Success Kid is not doing much, okay? But what we have seen, we did see it pump to 25 cents, and now it's just flatlining. Now, if there is any injection of liquidity into this project, this thing's going to go flying. And if it goes flying, it's going to grab attention. And if it grabs attention, there's going to be more liquidity. More liquidity is going to keep flying. And it don't even need to fly that much to make some good gains. Now, the reason Success Kid is number one is because we're looking at a possible 1000x. Okay, so I'm going to put Success Kid in between the 500 to the 1000x bracket. Okay, we're really stepping it up here. Even 200x minimum. I'm looking at. All right. Same time it can go to zero. Same time it can go to zero. Don't get twisted. Same time it can go to zero, just as quick, if not even quicker. So there'll be up and coming videos on each individual meme coin, so we can give you more information, more details of the price it's at and the price we could see it going to next. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. This is Billy Dan. Until the next video,